Hey, what's up? My name is Kevin and I'm the Helpful Hero, here to help you leverage the awesome power that is HubSpot. In today's video, I've got Clean Pro version 119 ready to rock for you. I've got a few cool improvements to some of the mainstay modules that I want to walk you through in this video so you can start taking advantage. So let's go ahead and just jump right into HubSpot and I will show you what is new. So the Magic module, it gets a couple cool updates. By request, now you have this typewriter animation as part of the rotating text feature, and I'll show you how you can utilize that in just a moment. Then, by very popular demand, I finally was able to add in better support for videos within the Magic module, specifically vertical videos. So now if you're using HubSpot's native video player, you can easily add vertical videos without having those ridiculous black bars that everyone hates. I also added support for YouTube, Vimeo, and Wistia, and I'll show you how to use that in just a second as well. The hero slider got an update as well. Now you can set a consistent background video or image and then just have the slides rotate through it. Nod to you, Jess. And then the VersaCards module. Now this has just been one where I've now very much stabilized the auto height feature so you don't have any little jitters as the page is loading. So if I reload this page and scroll down here, they are all the same height according to the tallest card, so you're not gonna have, your cards dancing across the page. Now, let me go ahead and show you a few things on the inside so you know how to utilize some of these new features. First, the rotating text feature. Now, if you haven't used this yet and you're curious about using it, the one thing that you're gonna wanna make sure you do is come under Start here and then turn the rotating text on. Then, as you go into the content elements, you can just go ahead and select the rotating text content element and add your rotating text here. And then all the way down here, now you're gonna see you have a new animation type of typewriter. It's as simple as that. All right, let's move on. We've got the new support for the vertical video as well as the other options here. Now there is something that you need to know about utilizing vertical video. So if we go under this, you're gonna see that I've selected HubSpot video. That's gonna work the very best with you utilizing the vertical video feature. All you're gonna wanna do is just obviously select HubSpot video, then check the vertical video option. This is really what's gonna take away those black bars. Otherwise they're gonna show up and you can just upload your video. It's as simple as that. Now, if you wanted to utilize any of the other options, you're gonna see here, I've got YouTube, where you're just gonna copy paste in a link, same thing for Vimeo and same thing for Wistia. So that's all ready for you to use. Next, hero slider. I mean, this one's pretty much self-explanatory. It's probably more of a bug than anything. And so now all you'll have to do if you want to set a consistent background is just like you would normally on any of the other modules, come into the section settings, backgrounds, and sorry, I think I did this one on the row. Let's go back. Wait, I'm still in the Magic module. I'm getting way ahead of myself. All right, Styles tab, section, and then that's where I set the video. Again, this is like the Magic module, and then I would have to come back here and then set the background video right here. Okay, that works like it does on any other module, but now you can actually set the content sliders to hover above it. Now there is one small trick that you need to be aware of. If you go into each of the slides for background color, you're just gonna wanna make sure you set it to 0. So basically there is no background color. And then that way the video or image or whatever will show through. And VersaCards, well, that's pretty self-explanatory. Now, before I let you go, I want to thank everyone who has been participating as a founding member of the Super Schema product. I'm actually in the process of making another big update. We're moving much more towards being more domain specific and cleaning up a lot of the UX stuff. So thank you if you've been one of the ones that have given me feedback about just refining this product. It's getting so much better over time, but it has been so cool to see this work, and some of the case studies that we have coming on how much it's improved people's ability to show up in AI search. This just geeks me out. I'm really, really excited. The last thing I'll mention is If you do want to follow my journey, I'm actually documenting the entire process of building out this product completely transparently with you over on my personal YouTube channel and a lot of my other social channels. So if you are interested in just kind of seeing a product from day one get built out by yours truly, well, jump on over to my other personal YouTube channel and you can check that out. And that's all I got for you today. I've got some more really cool Clean Pro things on the horizon for you. So stay tuned and always know I appreciate you. See you in the next one.